Tracking labor, equipment, and materials on construction and engineering projects with timesheets has always been a complicated problem. But that problem is solved with TimeControl Industrial from HMS. Western Principles can help you get started with it. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. In an engineering or construction organization where you have an accounting system, a scheduling system, a work ticketing system, a billing system, and possibly others, every system wants to be the center of the universe. For the project manager, the accountant, and the CFO, that all makes sense. But these are all competing systems with their own time reporting systems, and it means that a field worker has to fill in time in each, or someone has to transpose the hours from one system to others. TimeControl puts your workers at the center of their own universe. Your engineers and construction workers use a simple mobile or web-based interface for understanding their assignments and reporting work, including labor as an individual or a crew, plus expenses and materials. TimeControl integrates tightly to other systems that feed it work. This includes administrative time, project time, operational activities, and more. Once the worker provides time, the hours and costs flow back to the source systems. TimeControl also includes easily configured approval workflows so that time is assured to be right before it flows back into your project, billing, and other systems. There's more in TimeControl that you might like, such as the ability for your team to earn and request time off and approval workflows to make sure it's okay. For an administrator, TimeControl makes work easy and fast. It supports multiple rates, allowing you flexibility in billing rates for different types of work and different jobs. With TimeControl, it's easy to quickly find missing timesheets and notify individuals or teams about those. Finally, the administrator can make auditable changes to billing time and expense records, allowing for quick turnaround of corrections. It's easy to get information out of TimeControl. It comes with predefined executive-ready reports, and it's easy to define additional reports if you need others. You can also use the ad hoc drill-down analyzer to quickly create your own reports and dig into information as you need to. Of course, you won't have to use a report to transpose data back to your project, billing, or finance system. TimeControl's configurable integration to popular billing, accounting, project management, payroll, HR, and other systems makes it an easy fit with your organization and existing technology. Western Principles is a Microsoft Gold certified project and portfolio management partner and an HMS partner. We know project management and can help you with all aspects of your project and portfolio management implementation. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.